In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track your Trello account activity so you can see everything you've worked on all in one place. Whether you want to review recent changes, monitor productivity, or simply find a card you interacted with earlier, Trello makes it easy to access your full activity history. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to load more activity to see your complete record. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Let's get started. First, log into your Trello account using your browser. Once you're inside your Trello workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Go ahead and click on your avatar. This opens up your personal menu, where you can access account-related options, settings, and personal activity information. After clicking your avatar, you'll be taken to your profile area. From here, you need to navigate to the Cards section. Click on the Cards option to continue. The Cards page shows all the cards you are a member of across every board in your Trello account. This is extremely useful because it centralizes your work instead of making you jump between multiple boards. Once you're inside the Cards section, look for the Activity option. Click on Activity to open your full activity feed. This is where Trello displays a chronological history of your actions. You'll be able to see actions like cards you created, cards you moved, comments you added, due date changes, checklist updates, and more. Everything you've interacted with is logged here in order, making it very easy to track your progress or review past actions. The activity feed shows your most recent actions first. You can scroll down to review older updates. If you want to see even more history, simply click on the Load More Activity button at the bottom of the page. Trello will automatically expand the feed and display additional past actions. You can continue clicking Load More Activity to dig further back into your account history. This feature is especially helpful if you're trying to find a card you recently edited but can't remember which board it was on. Instead of searching board by board, just open your activity feed and trace your steps. It's also useful for tracking productivity, reviewing completed work, or confirming when a specific change was made. Another great benefit of tracking your Trello account activity is accountability. If you're collaborating with a team, being able to quickly review your own actions helps you stay organized and transparent. You can verify updates, double-check deadlines you modified, and ensure nothing important was missed. So just to quickly recap, click on your avatar in the top right corner, go to the Cards section, select Activity, and then click Load More Activity if you want to see additional history. That's all it takes to track your Trello account activity efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.